Okay, GNC 530 pump rebuild video 2. The head, the old head just slipped right off, no problem. I was a little burned out when I first looked at the little cups. It looks like these are the wear area. I don't know if you can see that. Inside there, they get kind of dirty and they slip on there. And look, pay close attention how they're orientated. They got the little cup facing out this way. But anyway, those pistons look like they're in real good shape, nice and smooth. I'm going to clean them. Here's the old head, and it's got all this. It looks like it gets a little rusty. Maybe I need to do a little, I don't know, a little oil or conditioner or something in there. But anyway, the new one, I was like, damn it, it better come with those new heads, because those seals there, this one I just laid there, those are what's going to keep the product from going back into the crankcase. So it came with new ones, which is great. And this is what happens when you're the owner of the company and you're a perfectionist. You're not good at delegating to other people, because you just know they were not doing it perfect. And you just know you could do a better job. So if you're a perfectionist, learn to delegate a little bit. Take a little faith in your workers, which I did. I just couldn't wait till it came on Saturday to put this head in there his first time around. But make sure, if you are a perfectionist, don't chastise your workers for doing good, acceptable work. You know, tell them what a great job they did, instead of chastising them because it's not perfect. And go ahead and delegate. They might actually do better than you every once in a while. Anyway, it all looks pretty cool. It came with all the seals, all pre-built in there, inside of it. So, you know, I got to pay tax and shipping on top of that $236, but it came with those little seals there. I'm just real happy with it so far. And what's nice about this other one wasn't totally shot. So when I get done, I will clean it up. Probably get some seals for it. But in the meantime, I'll put it inside the trailer here, termite trailer, with just in case of emergency, if one blows out or something, at least you have a spare. It ain't that big a deal. This can be changed in the field in less than an hour. And I didn't drain the tank, flush it out, or nothing. Nothing hardly leaked at all, just a little bit. Anyway, bye.